Ever wondered how to whip up authentic French croissants or Italian cannoli in your very own kitchen? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on a culinary journey around the world, one pastry at a time. First stop, the city of love, Paris, home to the iconic French croissant. The secret? It's all in the layers. Start by making a yeast dough, then envelop it in a slab of cold butter. Roll, fold, chill, repeat. This process, known as lamination, creates the croissant's signature flaky texture. After a final proof and a generous brush of egg wash, these crescents of joy hit the oven. As they bake, the water in the butter evaporates, puffing up those painstakingly crafted layers into golden, buttery perfection. Now let's jet over to sunny Italy for a taste of the sweet life with cannoli. These tube-shaped treats hail from the island of Sicily, where they're a staple at carnival celebrations. To make the shells, combine flour, sugar, and a splash of Marsala wine, then deep fry until crisp. The filling, a creamy mix of ricotta cheese, sugar and chocolate chips, gets piped in just before serving to keep the shells delightfully crunchy. Our final destination takes us to the land of the rising sun, Japan, where matcha-flavored sweets reign supreme. One popular pastry is the matcha cream puff, a spin on the classic French choux. Start by making a choux pastry, then fill it with a velvety matcha-infused custard. The result? A bite-sized pastry with a subtly sweet, earthy flavor that's uniquely Japanese. So, there you have it. A whirlwind tour of international pastries straight from your kitchen. From the flaky layers of a French croissant to the sweet crunch of an Italian cannoli, and the unique flavor profile of a Japanese matcha cream puff. Each of these pastries carries with it a piece of its home country's culture and tradition, a testament to the power of food in bringing us closer to the world around us. Remember, making pastries is as much an art as it is a science. It requires patience, precision, and a whole lot of love. But the reward, a freshly baked, homemade pastry, is absolutely worth it. So why not give it a try? After all, the world is just a recipe away.